Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually turn on your crossfade on Spotify. Now crossfade is an option on Spotify that allows you to get smooth transitions so that when your last song is done playing, it will be automatically mixed into the other one. Now, first off, open up Spotify and go to the top left corner where your icon appears, your profile picture. Now, from there, we go to the settings and privacy, the last option, and we search for the playback option. It's right below languages. Now, as you can see, the crossfade option already appears. Right here is a little lever. Now, if you turn it all the way to the left, it's turned off. And if you turn it all the way to the right, as you can see, the crossfade starts at the last 12 seconds of the songs and will mix the first 12 seconds with your next song. I will recommend you to put it somewhere between 3 and 5 seconds for a smooth transition. Now, be the DJ of your own party. It's very easy. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.